Hello everyone, we're going to show you how to sell a gift card now. You come into the sales sheet right here. Boom. Sales. Gift cards are in dial number 3. I clicked that. That brought that up. Now, how much is the gift card for? Let's say this one's for $1. Boom. $1. Collect the payment. Cash. Boom. You just sold that. But there is another step. You have to go to gift card. Take a look at what the gift card was and the number on the back. Look at the number on the back. Go to new gift card. This is gift card number 1. It's for $1. I sold this to Theo Brewer. No expiration dates on gift cards. Department, don't worry about that. Category, don't worry about that. Notes, if you want to make some notes, that's fine. Birthday present. Hit save. Hand over the gift card, and you just sold a gift card.